two-stroke perfection just got even better. The 2027 Yamaha YZ250X is here, and it's redefining what an off-road machine can do. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the most comprehensive looks at the latest rides. Today, we're exploring why Yamaha's legendary trail weapon continues to be the bike everyone's talking about. Design. Yamaha has refined the YZ250X into something truly special. The bodywork is sleeker and more functional than ever, with revised plastics that shed mud effortlessly. That iconic Yamaha blue stands out on any trail. The slimmed-down profile makes moving around the bike incredibly easy, while the flatter seat design improves rider comfort on long rides. Every component feels purposeful, from the updated radiator shrouds to the reinforced skid plate. This is a machine built for serious trail riding. Performance. The heart of the YZ250X remains that incredible two-stroke engine, now even more refined. Power comes on smooth and controllable in the low end, building to that exhilarating rush up top. The 6-speed transmission gives you perfect gearing for everything from tight single track to open terrain. Suspension updates deliver plush, confident, inspiring performance over roots, rocks, and everything between. The handling is razor sharp, yet stable, exactly what you need when the trail gets gnarly. Features and technology. Yamaha loaded this bike with thoughtful upgrades. The updated power valve system broadens the power band beautifully. An improved clutch provides excellent feel and durability. The redesigned exhaust balances performance with sound regulations. LED lighting keeps trails illuminated when rides run long. The cooling system has been optimized for extended technical sections without overheating concerns. Conclusion. The 2027 Yamaha YZ250X continues proving that two strokes aren't just surviving, they're thriving. Is this your next trail companion? Drop your thoughts below and tell us about your experiences with the YZ250X. If this review helped you out, give us a like, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more detailed coverage. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for notifications.